Hi everyone, this is Samay. Welcome back to my channel. That's my life. Today I will be showing you how I make my immune booster for my family. Let's get started. Ginger help ease colds and flu, reduce inflammation, and help boost the immune system. Lemon zest has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory properties, and packs with vitamin C that help boost the immune system. Garlic help reduce flu and common cold and contain antioxidants. I got these fresh turmeric from Sprout. If you don't have a fresh turmeric, you can replace them with powder. I let the turmeric sit in water for about 15 minutes to soften any dirt that was left on it, so it's easier to clean. It is better to wear gloves when processing turmeric to prevent yellow stain on your hands. I got these elderberry syrup from Sprout also. I got these honey from my local farmer market. Elderberry is packed with vitamin C, fiber, antioxidant, and help reduce the effect of flu. Honey is very rich in antioxidants. Cayenne pepper help boost the metabolism and help aid digestive health. Black pepper and coconut oil will help activate curcumin from turmeric. Curcumin helps fight inflammation and viruses. It has a strong antioxidant and other beneficial property. After I mix everything together, I let it sit in an airtight jar for a day to let everything harmonize and for the flavor to mix it together. After one day, I store it in the refrigerator and it will last for about 10 days. I personally drink this 3 to 4 times a week during cold and flu season. Some of my kids take 1 teaspoon and mix it with orange juice. Some of them just take it straight with warm water. I like to make mine as tea. I use 1 tablespoon and cut 2 to 3 slices of lemon and pour hot water over it. like the smell and steam goes to my nose. It is very aromatic. Ah, smells so good. Cheers! Thank you everyone for watching. Let's all practice our social distancing, wash our hands, and don't touch our face. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please share and subscribe for more video. See you in the next video.